Welcome to Ramu Stockbroking. Today we are discussing about candle breakout strategy in algo trading. Candle breakout strategy is used for futures and cash market. Right now it is available only cash and futures in options, not available in commodity and currency. So what is the candle breakout strategy and how it will be work? So let's go to our trading terminal. This is our trading terminal. From here, we will do trades in candle breakout. We will use in candle breakout strategy. By this terminal, we having a candle breakout strategy here. So order form is looking like this. So before going to this topic, how it will be work in candle breakout strategy. So it is in a chart based. It is in a 5 minutes candle break. It is a 5 minute chart. We can use in 5 minutes, 1 minute, 10 minutes, whatever it may be, we can use candle breakout strategy. But how it will be work means, suppose now I am doing bank nifty in 5 minutes. So this is the candle now running. So when this candle will be closed, then it will be collect its its high and low values. After closing this candle, they catch low and high prices. So next candle it will be trade. If this candle high cross means go for a buy. If low cross means go for a sell. If one is active means automatically other order will be close. And when the order is activation means automatically stop loss and target will be placed in market. That means in the trading terminal, stop loss and target will be placed. So that is the beauty is there in this trading, in this breakout system. So we have to waiting for this candle breakout. Now time is 12:33. So more 2 minutes, this candle will be closed. Then this candle will take low and high. Suppose maybe this candle low is this one, maybe this candle high is this, means whenever this candle breaks high, go for a buy. When candles low means it will go for a sell. Automatically opposite order will be cancelled. This is the candle breakout system. Usually they will use in 15 minutes candle breakout. So whenever in the YouTube channels also, so many people are telling that 15 minutes candle if may break, it will may go for buy. If candle breakdown means it will go for a sell, like that. So that cases we can use this trading strategy. So now one more minute will be left. So waiting, maybe high is increased. Yeah, candle is closed. So this candle is closed means automatically in our trading system, above is buy placed, below is sell is placed. It is a limit order only. So exactly it does not take low, exactly it not take high. 1.2 points variation it will be taken. So when the order will, when the next candle or then next candle will be cross the this line, automatically order will be trade. So now we'll go and place the order. So this is a candle breakout strategy. So we are selecting NSE, F&O, futures and bank nifty. I'm selecting. So expiry it is asking today only. So I'm taking 5 minutes candle breakout system. So now 12:36 is there. So now I am doing whatever may be 12:40. So my start time is 12:40 because now running is 12:36 candle is running. So that I am taking 12:40 candle. So it is the end time. Till which time you have to use this trading strategy. So by default I selected 330. If any want to change 1 hour, 2 hours also you can change it. So quantity, how many trades it should be trade. So I'm saying 1. Profit is I'm expecting 20 points. Stop loss also 20 points. So it is a demo, like I am taking 20 points and profit and loss is 20 points also. Maximum loss is I am designing 3000. If 3000 loss will become, the automatically the strategy will be automatically cancelled. So it is asking for intraday or normal. So normal. Re-entry is required. If re-entry is required means it will be go again. Suppose only 10-15 candle you have to take means no need to enter re-entry. So every candle should be trade means only you enter re-entry. End square of till the time automatically our orders will be square up. So this is my order form. So I am submitting. So here my order is submitted. So now I am start. This is Insta 5. Already these orders are going on, and this is a demo version. So for a training purpose only I am using this one. So now it's a green symbol means automatically the system is activated. So 1240 to 1250 it is accumulated. Change parameter, you check it out. My start time is 1240 candle, and that means 5 minutes means 1240 to 1245 my candle will be closed. In that 5 minutes what are low and high, that price they will take it, and if going up means it will be go for a buy, if going down means it is going for a sell. And if order placed, automatically opposite orders will be cancelled, and stop loss will be automatically placed for 20 points. Why? Because I designed a 20 points means profit 20 points, stop loss 20 points. So we are waiting for trades. Suppose let's see previous order. So this is the previous orders Nifty is running. Suppose Nifty means we are checking the Nifty. So this is the Nifty orders. So order history is like this. If order means cancel means automatically it's cancel. So selling order will be take means buying order cancel. Buying order taking means selling order will be cancel. So like that history we can check it out, and trades we can also check it out. What is the open orders also we can check it out. Now these are the open orders. It's a stop loss limit and it's a stop loss target for a Nifty. So this is the change parameter. Will say 20 points I taken. So 1535 it is executed, and 20 points means 15 15,315 is the my target, and stop loss is 20 points means 15,355. So this is the order already executed at 15,335. So target is 15,315 and stop loss is 15,355. You can add 35 plus 20 means 55, 35 minus 20 means 50. So like this orders automatically that will be placed in the market. So this is the beauty is there, automatically it will be take low and high values of candle. Particular candle you are selecting 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So thank you for watching my video. If any doubts are there, below link is there, you can call me. And it is an education purpose only, and we are creating awareness. 100% if you use this strategy, you get the profit is not like that. So we are discussing about this candle breakout strategy only. Thank you.